In this tutorial, we'll be talking about combining two holes of different sizes in a cylinder. So let's start by making a cylinder first. I already have the view I want. I want to just see the top plane. So I'll go into that first. So now I'm gonna make a circle. I select my top plane and place my circle here and hit OK. And then if I it's already selected, so I can quickly extrude. Okay, so I'm in a wireframe right now, so I want to view it differently. Okay, there we go. Now I want to make two holes of different sizes. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the two different surfaces available to me. So this is on the bottom, I believe. No, this is the top. Yeah, top, bottom, doesn't matter actually. So let's first go to my standard orientation. I'll make a circle on this plane. So I select this plane, go to model, sketch, and create circle. So let's make a hole that's relatively big and hit OK. So again, now I've created a circle. It appears here. It's on this surface. Yeah. All right. Which is the top face of my cylinder. Okay. Now I want to make a hole. So in fact, I also would like to make another hole in the bottom. Let's do that first. So I want to go to my view and go to my bottom. So notice that I can also see the projection of the circle that I made on top. But if I try to select it, I can't because it's not on this surface. It's not on this surface. It's on this surface. So if I try to select it from there, I can't. But I can still select it from here, which is in fact this one. Yeah. So I still can select it through my model tree, but I can't select it on my viewing page. Okay, so on this surface, the bottom face, I'm going to make another circle of, let's say, a smaller size. What size is this first? This is 177 mm. So let's make one that's smaller than this on this surface. I need to go to sketch, circle, uh, and this is, yeah, I hit OK. And now we can extrude this and make a hole. So let's extrude it. So I want to remove the material and I want to go through the cylinder, not all the way, because otherwise I will be going through this hole as well. And since this is bigger than this, so this will completely cover that hole. A better strategy would be to start with the smaller hole, or if you know what depth you have to go to, you can just stop there. So I'm going to use the former. I'm going to start with extruding this circle first throughout my drawing in the y-axis. So I'm going to extrude it along the y-axis. I'm going to take it, I'm going to go to extrude, and I'm going to remove material along the length of this cylinder. So let's say I believe this is 100 mm. No. So we have to go in the other direction. So I have to put a negative sign. Yeah. So now it's going 100 mm. So 100 mm is barely here. So I would say this drawing is about 500 mm or more, slightly less than 500. Yeah, 400 would also work, I think. Yeah. So if I go up to 400, you can see that my hole is created and it goes through my drawing. I hit OK and there we go. Now I want to make this hole also. I want to extrude this hole as well. So that goes into the drawing so that I'm removing material. Again, I select, make it negative, and I want to remove material. So now you can see that there's a channel that is available to me. So this application might be useful in places when, let's say, I want to make a channel for a bolt. So a bolt sits here. This is like the seat for the bolt, and this is the channel for this is the channel for the head of the bolt, and this is the channel for the shaft of the bolt. So this is one application of where two holes of different sizes meet,